Every infrastructure project begins with a vision, a new community, a stronger bridge, a safer road. Yet between vision and reality lies the complex process of civil engineering design. For many project owners, a key question emerges. At what point does outsourcing design become the more sensible choice? The answer is not simply about reducing costs or shifting work abroad. It is about aligning resources, expertise, and timing to deliver the best possible outcome. Outsourcing civil engineering design can be particularly valuable in three situations. The first is when a project requires specialized expertise that is not available internally. Complex land development, advanced CAD modeling, or compliance with international standards often demand skills that only seasoned professionals possess. In such cases, outsourcing provides immediate access to trained engineers who can meet quality requirements from the very first day. The second is when deadlines are tight and internal capacity is already at its limit. Rather than overloading existing staff or delaying delivery, outsourcing allows project managers to scale design efforts quickly and maintain quality without compromise. The third is during prolonged fluctuations in workload, those peaks and valleys that make staffing unpredictable. By outsourcing design during peak periods, fixed personnel costs can become variable, enabling firms to take on additional projects without the burden of permanent hires. Choosing the right partner is critical. A well-selected outsourcing provider can transform a temporary solution into a long-term advantage. Among the firms active in this space, AXA Engineers is often cited as an example of how a stable team, modern tools, and a clear professional culture can benefit international projects. Founded with the aim of connecting Vietnamese engineering talent with global demand, AXA Engineers has evolved into a hub for high-level engineering support. Its philosophy of fostering an environment where engineers thrive, not just perform, has helped build an experienced and highly motivated team, which in turn gives clients greater consistency and peace of mind. Technology and process discipline also play an important role. Providers that hold licensed software, operate flexible work shifts, and leverage time zone differences can compress schedules without sacrificing accuracy. AXA Engineers, for example, maintains one of the largest pools of individual civil 3D licenses in Vietnam, combined with a dual shift model that allows work to continue while local teams rest. This approach accelerates delivery and keeps complex projects on track even under demanding timelines. Security and intellectual property protection are equally essential. When sensitive drawings and proprietary concepts are involved, multi-layered security protocols, strict access controls, and confidentiality agreements become non-negotiable. Experienced partners understand these requirements and invest in systems to safeguard data so that innovation can flourish without fear of leaks. Sustainability and shared value are another dimension worth considering. Providers that commit to ethical standards, fair treatment of staff, and contributions to the community create a more resilient workforce and stronger client relationships. AXA Engineers illustrates this with a 5-point STAR framework designed to generate benefits simultaneously for clients, employees, partners, the community, and the environment. This broader view of responsibility ensures that each drawing, model, and collaboration reflects both technical quality and sustainable outcomes. Ultimately, deciding whether to outsource civil engineering design is about achieving the right balance between internal focus and external expertise, between speed and quality, between today's constraints and tomorrow's opportunities. A partner with a clear working methodology, stable teams, and transparent commitments can help transform outsourcing from a short-term fix into a strategic advantage. Outsourcing should not be seen as a simple replacement for in-house design. When used at the right time and with the right provider, it becomes a catalyst for innovation, efficiency, and sustainable growth. For many project owners, firms such as AXA Engineers demonstrate how this approach can turn ambitious infrastructure visions into enduring realities without the need for overstated promises or heavy-handed marketing. The emphasis is on collaboration, consistency, and results, exactly what complex civil engineering projects require.